Hello and welcome to That's Food and the Barbecue. Flanksteak, cauliflower and mushrooms. Which grill to use? I don't know. Could be either one of them, I guess. Should it be the red one? Nah, don't want to make it dirty. On the rotisserie? Nah. The smoke? No. Well, I'll just have to use another one then. Anyway, so I've got some flanksteak here. It's just enough for the two of us, and then I've got some CajP original chili flavored barbecue sauce. It's like a marinade. So I'm just gonna put it in a freezer bag and then add a little bit of the marinade and leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours to marinate. Pouring it into the bag, closing it, and then giving it a massage. I've got a small head of cauliflower that I'm breaking into florets, and then 5 or 6 mushrooms, a little bit of the sauce, and into a bowl they go. Once it's time to cook, I'm just skewering them any which way you want. It doesn't matter, they have the same cooking time, they're ready to eat. And there we go. Okay, so you hear the crows. Yeah, well, I did a little adjustment to this grill. I added these bars with some nuts on them so I could adjust them so I could level out the grate. And then I got a chain that I cut into 4 pieces, and I'm gonna add it up there. But I'm actually not gonna add it until I've got a fire going. I just lit this. So I've got a base of some charcoal, and then I put some apple limbs on there, or it's not splits, but any which way. I'll bring it back in a bit. And then time to put the grate on. So this is in a bed. Anyway, I'm putting it about 4 inches above the fire, or maybe 5. I'm not sure. I haven't measured it, but oh well. The point is to get the flames just up to the grate, so we'll see. It's getting there, but any which way, I'll leave it a few more minutes before I put anything on. I'm actually gonna put the skewers on first and the flanksteak after that. Bring it back in a bit. Okay, so I added the birch split or 2 in there just to get the flames going. So that's what we have. It's good enough to me. I'm gonna start off with the skewers. And then just moving them around a bit as I went along. I continuously moved them and flipped places and whatever. And then it was time to put the meat on. A lot of noise in the background, so just removed it now. Okay, so the meat goes on one side, and then the skewers, they'll continue cooking. This is about 10 minutes into the cook. The cauliflower takes a little bit longer than the flanksteak. Not really close enough, is it? I think it's about time to adjust the grate a little bit. But of course I didn't. Not yet. I will though. There we go. Just took a minute or 2. So I lowered it 1 link. I think that was close enough. I actually did lower it in the end. 1 more link. But this is what it looked like. Right, time to temp this. I flipped it over a couple of times. And I want it to be between 135 and 140. That's the thicker part. And that's the Helena part. Perfect. I'm going to take this off and let it rest for a minute. Okay, time to slice this. See what we have. Let's see if we can have some light.
Looks very nice.
There we go, some flanksteak Santa Maria style. Oh, I've got some slats here. That's okay. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's really good. CajP is really good. Let's try the cauliflower as well. A little bit of a crunch. Nice, smoky flavor. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.